Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. As you can see here, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo simply from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can use our gallery or Google Photos, and I will pick the gallery. Of course, give all the permissions and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Again, you have to decide where you want to crop the photo, so this time I will pick Google Photos. Of course, again, give all the permissions, tap on got it, and as you can see from this step, you can change the position of the photo, you can adjust the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, you can zoom in or out the photo. So just position it like you want to. Here you can rotate the picture, just do it like you want, maybe something like that. Alright, so if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got the applied photo. It will be visible on the contact list right here, or whilst, for example, on incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your OPPO A94. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.